Alright, in this video I'm going to be setting it up so that I can visualize the path that the ship is going to follow before I actually play the game. So I'm going to go into Visual Studio. I already have it opened up to the path creator thing, but I actually want it on the path follower script. I'm going to create a boolean that I can set that will determine whether or not the path is displayed. So Unity uses the method onDrawGizmos to draw things in the scene view when the game is not actually playing. Of course, I need void in front of that. So let's see here. I take in a mesh for the path itself. While I'm at it, I might as well make it so the player can scale the path. And I'll have to implement that later to make the player actually follow that in-game. So, going to, from each of the vertices that are in the mesh, vertex in path mesh vertices. Actually, let's make this a for loop. I is less than path mesh dot vertex count. Let's start it at 1. There's a redundant brace there. Can't remember all the functions that are available in Gizmos, so gizmos dot, let's see here, draw a line, there we go. I want to do it from path mesh dot vertices I minus 1 to path mesh dot vertices I. And this will just give me a basic way to visualize it. But I actually also need to multiply it by the vector 3 that I specified above. Path scale. Alright, since that returns a void, I'm going to have to do it ahead of time. And just to save on calculations, I'm going to create a temporary variable var last vert equals path mesh dot vertices 0 last vert dot scale path scale. For our current vert equals path mesh dot vertices I. Current vert dot scale path scale, excuse me. Last vert. Current vert. Then after that I want to set last vert to the current vert. And let's hear if not display path return. And I think that actually might be it. I don't know how much it's going to slow down my computer. There's definitely some optimizations I could do to that, but let's go ahead and save it. Hop back into Unity. So there's player, path follower, display path. And let's see if it's actually displaying it anywhere. Turn off the skybox so I can see it better. I'm not seeing it. So Is that set to 1 1 1? Oh, I think I see something over there. So yep, there's my path. And it's shrunk in some long forgotten corner of the level, which is why I added in the scale so that I can, for instance, set this to 100, 100, 100. Zoom up here. See where it ended up. Oh, there we go. Now it's way off in the distance over there. Try 500, 500, 500. Hopefully it didn't. There we go. So one of the more obvious problems is that this is not relative to our player. So I think I'm going to go ahead and implement that in the next video. Thank you for watching.